Hello everyone, I am Rohan Pawar as a data scientist and business analyst intern at Sparks Foundation. I have been assigned a task to form exploratory data analysis on the sample Superstore. Here is the submitting of task 1. Let's get started. This is the samples Superstore report, and I made it in three different parts. First one is home, second one is based on region, and third one is based on ship mode. Uh, Firstly, start on home. On the top, I added two filters. First one is category, and second one is a subcategory. Here are some KPIs. First KPI shows profit, second KPI shows sales, and third KPI showed average discount, and fourth KPI shows uh, total quantity. Now further in chart 1, we can see total sales by different segments. In consumer we have 1.16 million sales. In corporate we have 0.71 million sales, and in home office segment we have 0.43 million segment. In next chart, that is pie chart, uh, shows discount, average discount by segment. In home office we have 16.8% average discount, and we give average discount to consumer is about 52.59%, and to the corporate segment we give 30.61% average discount. On the on second chart, we have total profit by segment. We gain more profit by consumer segment as compared to other two segments. The lowest profit maker segment is home office, is about 21.05 percentage of total profit, and the highest profit is from consumer segment of 46.83 percentage. For the next chart, it shows about quantity by segment. We sell 20k quantity to the consumer segment, and 12k quantity for corporate segment, and 7k quantity to the home office segment. And the last chart shows about the relation between profit and sales. Now see how it works. In filter we select furniture's category. It is about 18k profit. We do 742k sales, and we give average discount of 17%, and the quantity we sold is 8k. In uh, in segment wise, furniture made 0.39 sales in consumer segment. In corporate it made 0.23 sales, and in home office it makes 0.12 million sales. Now the discount by segment shows we give uh, the discount by segment chart shows we give more in discount, and discount by segment chart we see we give average discount to the consumer. It is about 53% of total discount. The second we give to the corporate, and after that home office. Now we see the profit by segment. We make our profit by corporate segment is about 41.11%. Next, profit gaining segment is consumer, is about 37%, and another one is which has less profit is home office. Now by the uh, quantity by segment chart, consumer has more purchased quantity as compared to corporate and home. It is about 4.2k, and corporate has 2.5k, and home office is 1.4k. Now the relation between profit and sales, like if you see the most of the dots as in positive range, it shows uh, it shows that if the profit goes high, when sales goes high, then some subcategory makes less profit, and the majority of subcategories makes more profit. Now in subcategory filter, we choose bookcase, and the profit for the bookcase is minus 3k, means it made loss, but the sales goes high. It is near about 115k, and we give discount is about is average is 21%, and we sold the quantity uh, 868. The consumer has a more has the top segment that made sales near about 70k. For the particular bookcases, majority of quantity goes to near about 500 to the consumer. As we see in profit and sales relation, we have majority of profit when sale goods increases. That is, if we made sales more, the profit will get higher. Similarly, chairs, we make 27k profit. Average discount is about 17 percentage. Quantity sold is near about 2k. We got the more sales from consumer segment, and the quantity sale to the consumer is about 1234. As the profit and sales chart shows that there is exceptional case where we made loss, but the majority time we booked our profit. Moving further on furnishing, as we see, we made 13k profit on quantity is about 4k. The relation between profit and sales on furnishing is if the sales goes high, then the profit also goes higher, and same about other sales by segment, quantity by segment, and discount by segment charts. It shows we have consumer segment in each is on top. Next is table. There is exception for we, we made loss in table subcategory on the quantity of 1k. The loss is about 18k. There are some points which made huge loss in table subcategory, but the majority points are in profit side. We have to find that uh, minor points which made those big losses. Next category is office supplies. In office supplies, we made total about 120k, 22k profit on the quantity of 23k. Likewise, the consumer segment is in the top position for each discount, sales, and quantity. We see the subcategory by appliance and art. There is about 25K profit on quantity about 5K. Here the sales goes higher, the profit goes higher. Blender in subcategory blender we made 30K profit, and likewise the consumer is in top position. Envelopes we made profit about 7K. Fasteners we made profit. Yeah, supplies, office supplies we made loss is about 1K. As we see, the some points are in losses because now the technology category we made overall 145K profit on 7K uh, quantity. In that, accessories has a contribution of 42K on 30K 3K quantity. For the is copiers, the profit contribution is 56K, and the sales for the copiers is about 70K in consumer, corporate 47K, and home office is about 33K. The total sales is about 150K. Means we made less profit on copiers, copier, copiers. Also for the machine, we made 3K profit on 189K sales, and the discount is very high for the machines. We have to think on that we have to decrease the average profit on machines. Next one is phone. We made 45K profit on 330K sales, and nearly about uh, 15% discount, average discount. As we see the segment, the consumer segment is nearly 0.17 million sales, and quantity, the higher quantity goes to consumer segment, and the average discount for the segment goes to consumer is about 50.36% of total discount, and we made our most profit from consumer segment for each category. Now let's go for region. In region there is three filters. First one is segment, second one is category, and region. If you see, the first chart is showing the profit by region and segment. In West region, we have 53% contribution from consumer, 32% contribution from corporate, and 15% contribution from home office. Likewise, the other regions, West, South, and Central, we have the most consumer segment in South region, that made uh, nearly about 55% profit. In South region, consumer segment made 58% profit as compared to other. Next chart, quantity by region. We sold most of the quantity to the West region for all category and segment, that is about 12,266, and the lowest quantity sold is in South region, is about 6,209. As we see, we made profit from South in consumer segment, and we sold uh, less quantity to the uh, South region. We have to increase the quantity for the South, so we can gain more profit from the South region. Next is discount by region and category. uh, More than 20% average discount we give to the central of furniture category. A dark green candle is for furniture category in central region. The second one, light green, is office supplies, and the lowest light green is technology. For technology in central region, we give average discount of 13%. In central region, for office supplies, we give 25% average discount, and in central region, for furniture, we give 30%. Likewise, others, for furniture, 12% in south, 17% for office supplies in south, and technology in south is about 11% average discount. In east, we have nearly about 14 to 15% range in category for the furniture, office, and technology category in east. And west, we have lowest average discount is about 9 percentage for the office supplies. Now here, how was how the region affect on profit and orders. Here we see, if in west, the order 2 to 6 range, that made uh, more than 20K profit. Similar order range for the central region, it made less than 10K profit. Now we see segment wise for filters. In consumer, for furniture category in central region, for the segment of home office, central region, we made 16% loss, and the biggest loss in segment region, and the biggest loss is about 53% for the consumer segment, in central region, but we sold nearly about 952 quantity to the central region. On that, the corporate segment made 31% profit, and we give furniture to the 31% average discount, office supplies 27%, and 14% to the technology. On my suggestion, we have to decrease the percentage rate so we can make more profit. Now the effect of central region on profit and order, as we see, the order 6 to 17 range, 6 to 14 range, we made uh, more profit, but the order range from 0 to 0 to 4 or 5, we made losses. Now profit by state, Texas is the uh, highest in loss for the consumer segment and furniture category in central region. And we have Oklahoma, profit is about 1466, and likewise others. And the, also the Illinois makes loss of uh, 5k. Let's see for the another region, east region, we made totally the profit, not any losses in east region. uh, the quantity we sold is about it's around 1k, that is 1114 quantity we sold in east region. Nearly 60% this average discount goes to furniture, 14% average discount goes to office supplies, 15% this average discount goes to technology. As we see the effect of each region, the order quantity of 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, and 14 made the profit. But as we look for the state, the Peninsula is the highest loss we have, and the most of our profit is from New York. For the South region, we have made profit. South region overall quantity sold in South region is uh, nearly about 700. We give 11% discount in South region for the furniture. We give 16% discount, average discount for the office supplies. Technology 11% average discount. And the relation, if there is more profit in South as compared to the order quantity, on ordered more than quantity of 10, they they will make losses. We have to give more discount on order above 13 quantity to make profit. In profit, in state North Carolina, we made losses, and in Virginia we made profit about 2535. In West region, we made overall profit. The consumer segment is 38% contribution, corporate segment is 34, and the home office is about 28. Quantity sold in West region is about 1K, and the average discount for the furniture 13%, 9% for the office supplies, 13% for the technology. And Colorado is a loss-making state in West region, and California is a profit-making state in West region is about 4K. As home region and ship mode. That's it from my side.